Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So today's video I'm going to show you an AI tool which you can use for presentations. So the name of this AI tool is Prezi and this is your own AI presentation maker. So you must have already heard about a site called as Gamma. Same as Gamma, this site is also for AI presentation called as Prezi. So you can make amazing presentations over here and I'll show you how you can do it. So, first of all, kindly like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot. And let's make our first presentation with AI. Let's click on try Prezi for free. We will use the free trial version right now on Prezi. I'll show you the pricing feature over here. We will be using the free version, which is the basic tier, in which we get 500 AI generation credits for presentation, and we can generate up to 10 talking points. We also get essential creation tools and public content. If you want to, you can choose a premium plan, which is the standard version, or a plus version, or the premium version. It depends upon you what you want to do once you have used it and like using this tool. So let's click on try Prezi for free and let's sign up with Google. Let's fill the basic information and let's use the basic tag. Let's click the occupation as student and click on start creating. Hi Sarvesh, welcome to Prezi. To get to know your free plan. So as I said before, you get 500 free credits to explore premium features and create stunning presentations. You can also you can also earn more credits by inviting others. You will get 200 extra credits for every new sign up. Your presentations are public by default. Upgrade to make them private. Start free trial to unlock all premium features and unlimited credits. Let's click on start creating. Let's create our first presentation over here. Let's click on start with an idea. Let's give our prompt. The prompt is create a presentation on how AI is changing the future of work for a general audience. Use an energetic modern tone with blonde colors. Include around 7 frames covering topics such as introduction, pre-industries been affected, jobs been replaced, new jobs been created, skills needed for the future, real world examples, and a conclusion. Let's click on generate. It was able to figure out the points which were included in the prompt. So the AI used by Prezi is really good. It was able to figure out what are the 7 frames which I need in my presentation. Let's click on create presentation. And that's why I feel like Prezi is more easier to use than Gamma. Gamma is also an AI presentation maker, but I feel like using Prezi is more comfortable for me and very easy to use. And you also get a lot of free credits to create presentation on Prezi. And our presentation is done over here. Look at the first frame. It looks amazing. Like, wow. Look at the design. It's so good. How AI is changing the future of work, exploring the transformative impact of artificial intelligence on various sectors and workforce dynamics. So this is the first frame. We can also change the color palette if you want by clicking on this itself. I feel like using this one. This one looks good, but let's keep the white one first. We can also change the image over here to something else if you want. This doesn't look good. This looks really amazing. I feel like this color looks good. Let's click on the next frame. So this is the first frame, introduction. Okay, introduction. Artificial intelligence rapidly revolutionizing the workplace, maximizing efficiency and driving innovation. This is the first frame and it looks really amazing. Let's click on home. So this is the main interface and inside it there are our 7 slides as you can see over here, which looks really amazing. The design is wow, it's really good. The industry's been affected. This is our second frame, which also looks good. Key points, and on these key points we can talk a lot about the presentation itself. Then is our third frame, jobs been replaced, assembly line workers. Nice, nice. The presentation looks really good. This is our fourth frame. New jobs been created. As AI evolves, it paves the way for exciting new career opportunities. So these are all the opportunities available right now. AI creating these jobs for us. It looks really amazing. It goes in detail to it, shows and zooms in on all the roles available with AI, AI specialists, data analysts, robotics technicians, AI ethics consultants, machine learning engineers, user experience designers, cybersecurity analysts, and many much more. Skills needed for the future. Embracing a new skill is essential for thriving in an AI enhanced workplace. This is our fifth frame, if I'm not wrong. And these are the key pointers in this frame. Wow, the design looks really amazing. It looks so beautiful. It's really nice. This is our sixth frame, if I'm not wrong. Real world examples 2017, 2018, and 2020. Zoom in on the pointers. And this is our last frame. Conclusion. AI is fundamentally reshaping how we work, compelling both businesses and individuals to adapt. Embracing AI technologies is essential for staying competitive and harnessing opportunities in a rapidly evolving job market. This is really true. Like it's really reshaping the whole industry, and both businesses and individuals has to adapt to this ever changing AI workspace. So the presentation created over here is really amazing. I really like this. Let's click on go to creator and wow, this is how it looks. The frames are on the left side and wow, this is really amazing. You can click on present and it starts presenting. Scan to save this presentation. Wow, this is also good. Wow, there are the settings here are really amazing. You can also download this as a PPTX or you can download this as a PDF, which you can use in your projects or reports or anything you want. So it gives you the availability to download this as an PowerPoint presentation or a PDF, which is really amazing. You can click on present, it will start presenting. Yeah, the presentation is over here. Looks amazing. Let's go back. And you can also click on the frames in which you want to edit, and you can edit the frames itself. You can change and add your own information over here. You can click on next and start and edit information which is present over here. You can change the color too. You can change the font. You can also add shapes, medias, text, story block, or animation, which is really amazing. So this also gives you a lot of features to edit your own presentation, which is created by AI. So once AI generates all of these presentation slides, you can click on each slide and you can edit all the information you want over here. So you have complete control over your own presentations. You can edit it, you can add new shapes or images or text, and you can change the existing information. So you have complete control on your presentations. So this is what I wanted to show you today. Using Prezi is really easy and you can create your presentations in few minutes, and you can also edit your presentations very easily. So thanks for watching this video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot. Thanks for watching.